How to create Facebook page on Android page setup tutorial. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can create Facebook page in Android. So for that you need to create Facebook ID. It's necessary. Now I'll simply click on Facebook. I have created already my ID. Now for page I will simply click on top left corner three lines. Here you guys will see on top arrow. You simply click on that. Once you click here you guys can see create a Facebook profile. Also for creating page you guys simply go to pages. So for pages I will simply click on see more. Now here you guys will search for pages. Once I search for pages, here you guys can see I have created two pages. Also you guys can see discover, create, invention, follow. Simply click on create. Once we click on create, here you guys will see page name. So simply write the page name. For example, I want to create new page. After that, click on next. Here you guys will simply select the category. So for example, I want to select category. Let's select the category. After that, click on create. Now we will wait for some seconds. Here you guys will give your bio, location, other things. After that, click on next. Now here you guys can see customize your page. Here you guys can add pick etc to your page, and after that click on next, and you guys will see after that some steps. So click on ok or next, and once you do that, that's it, your page will be created. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.